So a couple of weeks ago, Bentley gently reached out to me by email and asked me if I would like to have one of their cars for a couple of days. And I said, I'm not too sure because, you know, for me, Bentley is a very luxurious, comfortable car manufacturer. But then they tell me, well, our car is now 780 horsepower. And I said, okay, I will take it for a couple of days and give it a try. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the brand new Bentley GTS. It's an absolute beast. It has almost 800 horsepower. It has a combustion engine, a V8 twin turbo developing about 600 horsepower, plus an electric engine that is about 180 horsepower. So these things, despite the weight, really goes. As you can see, the car is featured with a lovely color. I think that color is called Red St. James. I should actually say it the British way. I think this color is called Red St. James. I say it the British way. Well, anyway, it's a beautiful color. First, I was a little bit scared when I received the fact sheet by email because I said, wow, a red Bentley, really? I think I would either look like a Mexican narco-trafficant or like, I don't know, the color looks a bit girly. So, well, anyway, we have the car ready with the very beautiful color, and I have to say, it looks absolutely fantastic. It has a huge depth and also some shiny elements inside, so it really looks lovely. And as you can see, the car is basically a sport car. It is completely loaded with a lot of carbon fiber parts. And by the way, I really love the design of those new headlights. I think they look absolutely awesome. You have a little sensation of speed, as you can see here. Really looks nice. And also, if you look at the bonnet of the car, I really like this kind of details. You know, they did a little, how do you say, a little bump here, like a central line, and the car looks like a mini shark. You know, it looks very nice. The carbon ceramics are massive. I think it's kind of needed to stop such a big car. And yeah, as it is a coupe, it has some massive, huge doors. It looks incredible, and it's so nice when you want to hang like this, you know. When you are cruising, you can hang. It's really such a nice, I would say even south of France vibe car. You know, you go to the beach club, you are super class, dressed elegant as I did today just for that car. So I think it's a very cool car that a lot of people would love. And also there's a super cool feature that they did on the car, is this bad boy. Bentley did a collaboration with one of the world's most famous exhaust manufacturer, which is Akrapovic, and I have to say, it sounds nice, but we'll check out that a little later. And yeah, voila, let's go and have a look a little bit inside the car. So we're right now inside the car. As you can see, everything looks absolutely fantastic, spot on. The quality of the finishes is just insane. So you can see the steering wheel uses some very nice leather. The quality of the stitching is just perfect. The car is filled up with carbon fiber all around the cockpit. It's absolutely nice, spectacular. What I really like on the newest Bentley is this feature. You basically have on the press of a button a rotating screen. So here you have the main tactile screen, which looks absolutely insane. And here you can close it again. So let's start the car, shall we? Let's press on the very nice start and stop button, but we don't hear any noise right yet because the car isn't hybrid. So you have to do this, sport. And now you have the lovely sound. I really like the fact that the car makes you wait 2 seconds before it dares to start the engine. Just to show you a bit of, you know, that's an important car. You know, you have to wait a little moment that this massive front V8 starts. But anyway, now I think we'll go for a little drive. I think you are going to see my reaction. And also super important in this channel, I will put you into the perspective of the driver. And yeah, let's go. really hope that you like this little POV drive. Now it's time for the reaction drive. So yeah, the car is now in sport mode, in manual, and let's try to see what it can do. It's quite impressive how it takes off. That's crazy, and you can hear the crackles. It's actually quite the first time that I drive a car with such a big weight and such a big amount of horsepower. And I have to tell you that the sensation is quite strange, because you have a massive car with a massive front bumper with a lot of power, and that makes you feel a little bit different about it, you know. Oh, there's a cyclist. Let's be careful for the cyclist that cycles in the middle of the road. At least was cycling in the middle of the road. So now I have to say the road, they start to be a little more narrow, but still, even if it is a big car, thanks to its lovely direction, it still feels agile. Whoa, yeah, a little bit narrow, but if I take a full big truck in front of my face, it's not ideal at all. Okay, let's go back into driving. So yeah, now the roads start to be a little more narrow, so we are going to check if this car, despite its size, is still agile. But I have to say, I'm having a big time with this car. It's so agile despite its size. Look at this. Direction is very direct. Well, you can still feel some heavy mass when you take turns, but at the moment you have a straight line, you just press the pedal, and thanks to the electric engine, instant torque. And you are out to the next corner already. All right, so another example of the initial electrical boost. I have to say, I can feel the car sliding. So it has more than enough power. Yeah, it really goes, and the stopping power is great. I mean, when you look at the size of the ceramic brakes, I'm really not surprised. Yeah, that's a sport Bentley like it's supposed to be used. The car has to cut the power because it cannot floor it. Okay, it cuts the power, but it really goes well. I'm quite impressed, to be honest. I never thought that the Bentley would go this fast. Yeah. And the fun fact is that this car is brand new. It just has now 1,000 kilometers. I asked the garage, do I need to be careful? They say no, with our cars you don't need to do. Sorry, straight. Wow, man. So cool. You don't have to do, you know, the initial slow kilometers to basically help the engine get fit or whatever. With our cars, you can really directly floor it. A cyclist, let's be extremely careful. I'm always very careful with the cyclists. Man, the initial push is really like... I'm doing my abs today in this car. That's so nice. Yeah, definitely massive congrats to Bentley. To be honest, it was, I think, one of my first time ever I drive a Bentley. Especially the latest one, and I'm really impressed by how quick it goes, how agile it is, how good it brakes. Like boom, you can really feel the huge ceramic brakes doing like clah in one fraction of a second. So yeah, thank you again so much, Bentley, for letting me one of your very beautiful brand new car for a couple of days. It was absolutely a blast, insane. I'm super happy that this is one of the very first car ever featured on the channel from another factory, so a car that I don't own. Thank you so much for your trust, and I really hope that you like the video, and always your support means the world to me. So if you want to subscribe or give a little like, it will be with a lot of pleasure. Take care, guys. Ciao, ciao.